Hello again from Product World. Today I'm going to show you how to connect up a Samsung Sound Bar model number HW-F551. This is going to be connected wirelessly. I had previously done a video of it and I connected it with an HDMI cable, not realising that it can be connected wirelessly. But you need what's called sound share on your TV, and this is only available on Samsung 2012, 13 and 14 models. So make sure it's on your TV first before you go ahead with this. Where it says DC24V in the back of your sound bar, you need to place the electrical cable like so, and the other end of this cable should also be plugged into the mains, and the cable from the subwoofer should also be plugged in. Power up your TV and your soundbar. Using the soundbar remote, press the sound share button. Using the TV remote, bring up your TV menu and locate the sound share settings. Come to sound, come down to speaker settings, sound share settings, add new device, turn this on. Come down to Samsung audio device list, where you will see AirTrack. Put this to use. That's it connected. That's you done and dusted. And just close. Back up to the main screen. And that's you all set to go. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching, folks. Like and subscribe. Thank you.